For nearly 50 years, plumbers worldwide have consistently relied on Test-Tite for durable and dependable products for DWV system testing. The new Test-Tite Test Dome Coupling is a safe testing solution that can be installed during the ground phase of construction at the DWV-to-sewer cleanout connection point with various cleanout configurations on 3-inch or 4-inch pipe. Features and benefits of the Test Dome Coupling include a key on the cap and keyway on the body forces correct alignment and prevents rotation during assembly and installation. When installing the cap, apply force until you hear a snap. This ensures the cap is seated properly into the coupling and ready for testing. The synthetic pre-greased cap ensures the solvent cement does not bond or seize to the dome cap, which prevents easy removal. This saves the plumbing contractor a step when installing. The stainless steel clamp on the cap secures the knot on the nylon cord. The molded parallel securing tabs on the top of the test cap accepts and secures the stainless steel clamp during the install. This arrangement prevents the cord from accidentally being solvent welded into the pipe joint. The dome and T-handle is color-coded for easy size identification. The orange domes and T-handles are for the 3-inch size pipe. Silver domes and T-handles are for the 4-inch sized pipe. The T-handle allows for a strong pull of the 12-foot nylon cord once pressure testing is complete. Installation text on Test Dome Coupling identifies the correct installation. With the coupling positioned correctly, the pull tab on the dome will always be in a position for easy removal with the T-handle and cord. Test Dome couplings are available for installation in 2 types of configuration: PVC with a white coupling and ABS with a black coupling. The Test Dome coupling is available in 2 types of configuration for the 4-inch size: a spigot-to-hub, which has a male and female side of the coupling, and spigot-to-spigot, which has male connections at both ends of the coupling. Before testing the DWV system, a cleanout or other fitting should be solvent cemented to the DWV pipe leading away from the building. In this example, a spigot-to-hub test dome coupling is used for testing. The spigot or male side of the coupling is solvent cemented inside the fitting, with the dome facing the building and the hub facing the sewer line. The coupling becomes a permanent part of the DWV system once the cap is removed after testing. In applications where you are joining 2 fittings before connecting to the sewer line, a spigot-to-spigot configuration can be used. The coupling itself can make the 2 fixtures. The DWV system is then pressure tested with air or water. Once the pressure test concludes, the dome or cap is removed by pulling on the nylon cord, while the coupling remains permanently fixed in place. The Test Dome Coupling meets the following plumbing industry certifications. Protect yourself, your team, and your bottom line with the Test-Tite Test Dome Coupling.